Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So yesterday we've talked about this coin and how we may see this, Pepe coming up and closing above here. And I've talked about one candle, two, three, the inverted hammer, and one big green candle. And this actually equates to being a bullish ladder bottom. But the problem is you do have one resistance right there. So this resistance may cause a momentarily or a temporarily pain, and it's not actually good. So I'm going to go into the daily here, and you can see that the daily time frame right now shows that we do have this one doji, and it could be time to retrace down. But before I actually judge very quickly, I want to check out the 4-hour time frame as well. So the 4-hour time frame does show that we may have a chance for Pepe to still continue to come up here and have this technical target been met, which is 9600, which is 8600, not 96, but 8600 right over there. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Now today is actually very, very important. Today is a day that is really important because you are about to close the weekly. You are about to start a new week as well, and today being the first day of October is a very good month, by the way, historically. So we may see cryptocurrency booming all over the world. Like October is just very, very damn good. November is also good. December is also good. So Q4, I've talked about this one before as well, that Q4 historically has always been good. Actually, let's do a search here. Let's actually check BLX, and if I do go on and I show you BLX, I want to see if I can actually prove to you the month of October and how October really looks like. So this here, I'm just gonna change that to logarithmic scale so that you can see better. So this is like the Bitcoin data for the past 11 years, and first of all, let's go back to 2022, and you can check out October. So if you look at 2022 October, even though this is a bear market, but Bitcoin ended up being green on an October as well. So that's a very good thing. So that's 2022. What about 2021? So for 2021 here, another October, and we had a very nice good green month. So you can see that this was your September and that was your October. So October once again was very good. September not so good. Okay, I always say this: September is not good, but October ends up becoming pretty decent to me. Another one is this one in 2020. You can see that this is October again, November, December right there. So 3 months which were very, very good for crypto. Again, October, it was green. 2019, I just want to go through this with you. You can see even in 2019, October was green again. What about 2018? This is fun actually. Yeah, so this was one time, rare time, where we had October being bad, but it wasn't even that bad. You can see it was just a little bit red right there, but not very, very bad. So 2018 and vice versa. You can see this was in September, October became very, very good. And then again, November, December. Okay, so these 3 months followed one by one were actually very, very good. In 2017, I've already shown you that, so we're gonna go back to 2016. So here it is. Okay, October, November, and December. So these 3 months are actually very good, and the reason why I'm just showing you this is we may have our hopes a little bit higher. And as you can see here, that September has ended in a doji right there. So we may be looking at October. If this decision comes in to be to the upside, then you may be looking at October to actually start to get green, not only for Pepe, but for Bitcoin as well, because that's where the main power comes in. Bitcoin gets green, altcoin follow along. And that's why I was showing you the data for Bitcoin right there. You can actually go back and watch October all over you want. October has always been pretty good to me. And right now, the whole market is down. So maybe September wasn't really good. It was boring, and it could come out to the result of October being green at the moment because of September. So that's it for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.